All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So as you can see, I'm staring at my Tesla Model 3 steering wheel. And the reason why is because of this right here. I finally got bit by the bug of a messed up steering wheel that I see all the time on Reddit and everything like that. And so I reached out to EVBASE. So my friends at EVBASE were kind enough to send out for review some covers that are going to go over the top and bottom of the steering wheel, and then overlays over the sides here. So that way now my steering wheel is going to look like a new steering wheel, cover this up, and then also give me a really awesome carbon fiber look. So let's go ahead. I'm going to mount the camera above my head here. I'll show you what they sent, and let's get it installed. All right, so first thing first is this is what they sent for the top and bottom. So as you can see here, the bottom has a cutout here to wrap around this here, or really it should be right there. And then the top here for this top portion up here, it's really only cover here because where the handles are, where I can put my hands if I want to do like the 10 and 2. So let's go ahead and just pop it on real quick. So I've never installed one of these before, but I'm assuming it's going to be fairly straightforward and simple. So there's the top one installed. So looks pretty cool there. And then let's do the bottom one here. You almost just push it on. I mean, it's as easy as that. And then that's all she wrote. So yeah, might need to move this one over a little bit if I can somehow. There we go. And there it is. So there's the top and bottom one there. So looks pretty sick actually. Kind of looks OEM, which is kind of nice. Now you do feel at the bottom or on the back of here the original steering wheel, which I actually don't mind because I like the look of what I'm seeing. But when I'm holding it, then at least I can feel a little bit of the original steering wheel, so that's okay with me. And then they also, as I mentioned, sent these as well, which are going to go over the knobs and then here at the bottom. Now for these, just like everything else, it always has 3M tape, which it's funny because I feel like 3M tape is like my nemesis. I suck at peeling these back. So let's go ahead and try to do these real quick, and then should be fairly self-explanatory. I mean, even if I just kind of mock it up right there, you know, and I kind of put it right where that circle is, that's the look, and it looks pretty dang cool. So let's try one of these. Let's see if I can not ruin this 3M tape real quick and get this peeled back. So I got all the red tape, so I got all the red coverings off of the 3M tape. I really hate taking that stuff off. It is like one of the hardest things to do sometimes. Now they didn't send any alcohol wipes or anything to clean it off with, so I'm hoping that this adheres properly. So what I'm gonna do is just try to match up as best I can to that circle and then push down, and then just really hope that that 3M tape adheres very well. It looks like it's mocked up pretty decently, so it's not like super off or anything. Should be good there. And then I'll speed through and I'll get the rest of this done. All right, and there is the final product, guys. So what do you think? I think it looks pretty dang good. So as you can see there, it got the carbon fiber here at the bottom, got the carbon fiber here and here and here, and then at the top as well. But like I did mention, you know, you are going to be able to see back here a little bit, which hopefully that shows it off there. But I think it looks really good. And if I zoom in a little bit more, like I said, you can just kind of see that a little bit better. And I just think it looks really good. So it's an easy install. I literally just did it here on my lunch break, just sitting in my car. And I really think that it's very much well worth the money if you're looking to give your steering wheel a different look, but then at the same time, it covers up some imperfections of the steering wheel as well. And it feels good. It's matte finish. Doesn't look like there's no fingerprint issues or anything like that. So to be determined. And as you can see there, it matches up pretty nicely with the circles there for my track balls, and it's no issue there at all. And then just that look there as well. So I'll be sure to link it down in the description, guys. So use my promo code and my link, and you'll get, percentage off of everything that you buy from EVBASE. But big thank you to them for sending this out. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.